Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. In today's project, I will be making some Halloween shoes. I got these shoes from a thrift store, but I originally used them for a different project, but I scratched the original project and now I'm using them for these. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to start off this project by, I think, just spraying these shoes with some paint. I think I'm gonna use fabric spray paint, so hopefully it'll like stay on nicely with the shoes because they are like fabric. So we'll see. I don't know. I'm going to be using this white, and I think I am gonna spray some black on it just to like have the same texture. And this is going to be my first step. Okay. Oh geez. This is going well. Just a little forewarning. Be careful. Oh geez. Oh my gosh, this is going horribly. Let me just tell you. I don't know what's up with these spray bottles. They worked fine before. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I think I'm getting paint everywhere. Shh, don't say anything. Okay, well at least the white is done, but I wanted to spray some black and now it won't come out at all. Okay, I am finally back after like 5 flippin' minutes, and I think I finally fixed the problem. I don't know what the problem was, but I finally have black spray paint. Well, black fabric spray paint anyway. Oh my gosh, now it's squirting in streams. When you just want something to work and it doesn't. How awesome is that? Okay, let me just get this done. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I've had enough of these. I don't know what's wrong with them. I don't know why they're not working too well. I'm pretty much rage quitting right now. So these are as much paint as they're gonna have on them. That's it. We're done with the painting. So I'm gonna let these dry, and I will come back with the rest of the decorations on them. But I'm rage quitting right now because of these paints. So I'll be back. Okay, so it has been about a day later, and the paint is finally dry, and I'm pretty happy with it, even though I was having some rough patches before. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a smaller skull and a bigger skull, and I'm going to cut them at the seam. Back with a bit of a bigger knife. Let's see if this works a bit better. No, not really. Okay, I'll be back when these are cut, and hopefully I will have all of my fingers. Okay, I'm finally back about half an hour later, and I managed to cut off the backs of the skull heads and the smaller skull heads. So the next thing to do is to glue them onto the shoe. I probably should have warmed up my hot glue gun in the beginning, but I forgot. So yes, the next thing to do is to take hot glue and glue them onto the shoe. I'm pretty sure I'm going to glue the bigger ones to the back of the shoe and the smaller ones to the front of the shoe. I am then going to put spiders here as well, like next to the skull. And I might put some back here. We'll see. I have to wait for the glue gun to heat up. So I will be back again. Okay, so finally the hot glue gun is at least semi-warm that I should be able to do this. I'm going to put hot glue around the edge, or at least try to. Okay. And then I'm just going to attach it. the same thing for the other one. I just got hot glue on my phone. Oh no, it's okay, it's okay. It's alright. It's just strands of hot glue, it's okay. Alrighty. So those are on the back and just gotta let them cool off. But in the meantime, I'm going to glue on the little skulls. Alright, that's looking pretty good so far. I'm pretty happy with it. Next is to glue on the spiders. Okay, now I got the spiders on the front. I think I'm going to put some spiders on the back. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. The skulls on the back and the spiders, and then we have a skull on the front and some spiders. I'm really quite happy with them. Now I could add some more spiders, but I think I'm just going to keep it kind of simple. So there we go. So that is how I created the shoes. There were a couple bumps in the road between the paint in the beginning and using some sharp knives that really had to be careful with. Just, you know, just be very careful if you attempt this project or do what I was doing, or, you know, if you don't feel comfortable with a knife or an X-Acto blade, ask for help. Just be careful. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!